Typedream claims to be the best AI website builder out there, but does it live up to the hype? If you've been searching for an easy way to create a website without any coding, you might want to hear my take on this tool before diving in. Typedream is designed as a no-code website builder that aims to simplify the process of creating websites. The core functionality revolves around its user-friendly interface, where you can drag and drop elements to design your site. It targets users who might not have any technical background but want a polished online presence. What stands out immediately is the clean design and intuitive layout. You can easily customize templates, which is great if you're looking to get something up quickly. However, while the basics are well covered, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, I noticed the lack of detailed information on advanced features or integrations, which might leave more experienced users wanting. Overall, it seems like a solid choice for beginners or small businesses looking to establish a web presence, but it may not offer enough depth for more complex projects. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, Typedream is incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible for anyone who might feel overwhelmed by traditional website builders. The templates are visually appealing, and the drag-and-drop functionality is smooth. However, there are some frustrations to consider. The platform lacks extensive customization options, which could be a downside for users who want to create a truly unique site. Additionally, there's limited information available about their customer support and response times, which could raise trust concerns. Pricing might also feel a bit steep for what's offered, especially if you're just starting out. In summary, while Typedream is great for beginners, those with more advanced needs might want to look elsewhere or be prepared for some limitations. In conclusion, Typedream is a decent option for those new to website building or small businesses in need of a straightforward site. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or customization, you might want to explore other platforms. Overall, it's worth trying, but keep your expectations aligned with its capabilities.